Okay, I would like you to try this problem yourself and see what you come out as the answer is, okay? And then I'll show you afterwards. Okay, first thing you need to look at, first of all, is this right here, okay? We know it's going to be a dashed line, okay? So we know this is not right, this one's not right, okay? So the next thing we need is to solve to graph. Add 2x to both sides. We get 3y is greater than 2x plus 12. Okay, so divide 3 by both sides. So I get y is greater than 2 over 3x plus 4. Okay, I graphed it already in the calculator just to show you, but then that's it right there, okay? So if we do it, we look at our answer is going to be that one right there, okay? Next problem. Okay, which graph does not represent a function? Whenever that you look at a graph, okay, all you have to do is remember a function is when 1x has 1y. Okay, not a function is when x has more than 1y. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, the first way that we do this, whenever they give you a graph, is we do what it's called a vertical line. You see that? Okay, each of these are like x, okay? Each of these lines is an x. There's one x to one y, one x, one y, one x, one y. I'm supposed to draw straight lines, okay? So one x, one y. One x, one y. See, it touches only one point. It only touches one point. Each time I draw a vertical line, it touches only one point. Okay, it only touches one point. See if I draw a vertical line there. See how many times it touches? This one is not a function. Okay. Next problem. Which set of ordered pair represents y as a function? So this one is a function, okay? You look at this. 1x, 1y. 1x, 1y. You see how all the x is different? It has different y's. You see on B, this negative 1, 1x, this negative 1 is the x. It has two different y's. So they're different, okay? So what we need to do is just focus on the x. If the x repeats on these problems, it is not a function, okay? You see negative 4, and it has different y's. 2, 2. You see how one has a 3, one has a 4. So that's different, okay? So our answer is going to be A, because they're all different. There's no repeats. Okay, which representation does not show a function of y as a function? So does not. Okay, so we're looking for not a function. Okay, you see this? All the x are different. All x are different. We focus on the x, okay? So this one is good. All the x are different, okay? This one is good. Focus on the x. All the x are different. That's good. See here? This x right here, negative 3, has 2. Okay, if I draw a vertical line, you see that 2 points. Draw a vertical line, you see it hits 2 points. Okay, so this x2, this x2, this x2, this x2. So this is not a function. So this is going to be my answer right there because I want not. Okay, this one right here, I want you to do it right here by yourself. Use the calculator, and I will tell you what the answer is when. Okay, you should be able to do this by yourself. Remember to use graph trace. Okay. Next problem. Okay, which graph? Okay, you should be able to do this. Okay, all you have to do is graph this in standard form. Okay, remember how to graph it in standard form. Okay, I'm going to add a graph, but now remember I have to change it to standard. Okay, graph entry. We're going to do equation template, line standard. Okay, -3. 5 and -15. 5 and -15. Okay, so which one looks like that? Looks like this one. Okay, and I believe that's it. Yep, that's it.